And good Wednesday morning. Sorry, snow lovers, this is not your winter storm. It's been the story for much of this winter. Our last major snowstorm, you got to go all the way back to last year. In fact, all the way back to January of last year. It's been more than a year since we've seen more than 4 inches of snow in the area. This winter, well, our big snow actually came all the way back in November, the early part of November, 1.5 inches, somewhat of a rarity there into the early part of November. Today, though, just a chilly, cold rain for much of our area. Now, looking ahead to Thursday, we could see a few snow showers around, maybe even mixing with some rain showers in parts of western Kentucky, but not expecting big impacts, really not much in the way of accumulation. And by the end of the week, the cold air sticking around as the winter weather gets out of here, even though the first part of the weekend looking pretty cold and cloudy. Checking in this morning, we've got some patchy drizzle across the area. Again, it's just enough to wet some of the roads. Just because you're not seeing it right over top of your county doesn't mean it's not occurring. Radar beam shoots out at an angle. A lot of this is occurring very low to the ground. But notice there through parts of Ballard County or along the Ohio River, it's drifting off to the north and east. Again, some fog, some patchy drizzle, breeze right now out of the north and northeast as well. Live view from Marion, looking back over Route 13. Folks getting their day going, and compared to this time yesterday morning where we were still in the upper 50s, close to 60, it's a much colder start. In fact, you step outside, it's about 20 to 25 degrees colder than we were just 24 hours ago. 34 Mount Vernon, 34 in Carbondale, 35 in Harrisburg, upper 30s from Paducah southward as well. Portageville, Missouri at 39, while Union City, Tennessee is at 41 degrees. That cold front moving through yesterday morning, now he's settling into the southeast and the Appalachian Mountains. Our storm system that we're tracking for today is all of this snow and ice mixture all the way back into Oklahoma. And notice some rain back into southeastern Oklahoma. It's really this area that's likely going to be moving through our region later on this afternoon. All of this white, all of this pink is likely going to stay just to the north and west of our region, but it will be tracking off to the north and east as we head throughout the rest of today. And there it is, heading into about 2-3 o'clock this afternoon. Pretty good chance we're going to see some widespread showers around the region. Could even see a couple rumbles of thunder, say southward into the Boot Hill, Missouri, parts of western Kentucky. But notice temperatures here about 35 in Mount Vernon to 36, 37 along Route 13, even some lower 40s possible into western Kentucky. So for the most part, it is going to be just a cold rain. There's a chance as this starts to move in and the column in the atmosphere starts to cool just enough. We could see some sleet mix in, say from about Waltonville back over near Coulterville and Pinckneyville, Tamaroa, there into northern sections of Perry County, but expecting very little in the way of impacts. And by tonight, most of that precipitation lifting on out of here. Temperatures still hanging out in the mid 30s and waking up on Thursday morning. There's that chance for a couple snow showers we mentioned. There it is coming in first thing on Thursday morning. Snow showers a possibility in southern Illinois, maybe mixing with some rain showers a little further to the south. All gets out of here by Thursday afternoon. So again, freezing rain accumulation that's shifted off to the north and west. Remember yesterday, if we were watching in and tuning in, we saw that line, that heavier freezing rain coming through about Mount Vernon back over near Pinckneyville and skirting some of our northern counties, but it has shifted more and more to the north and west of our area. And if you're doing any traveling today, say you've got a doctor's appointment or something like that in St. Louis, be aware they're expecting a significant winter storm there. Even traveling northward along I-57 into central Illinois, they are expecting a lot more in the way of winter weather. Shower chances will be increasing through today, about an 80% chance this afternoon, but temperatures hovering 35, 36 degrees, winds out of the north and northeast. Shower chances start to go down tonight with some lingering drizzle still a possibility by midnight. Again, that mixture in here on Thursday morning, it's not going to amount to very much. 35 degrees going to do it though Thursday afternoon. Friday, Saturday still on the cold side there with cloudy skies, temperatures in the afternoon only into the upper 30s. Sunday morning, we could see some sunshine. It doesn't last for very long though. By Sunday evening, tracking our next rain chance on the way and more wet weather into the early part of next week. Our next couple of storm systems after this one, we are actually still on the warm side of these. So we are talking about just rain next week, but there's actually a chance that not only as we get into Monday, Tuesday, but Wednesday of next week, a very strong storm system set to move through the Midwest could bring some heavy rain back into our region.
One of the things I was looking at on there was the potential for possibly ice tonight. That's northern 57 and our viewing area 64.
Really expecting that a lot of that is going to stay to the north of our area. Again, there's a chance on some of the edges of our viewing area we could see a thin glaze, maybe on a grill top or a hood of a car, but not expecting any impacts on either roads.
Good stuff. Appreciate it.